Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the another program. Okay. So the today program is the reverse the given number. Okay. So let's consider that I will the user give the input as a 1 2 3. So what will be the output? Okay. This is the input. So what will be the output of this program? Simply 3 2 1. Okay. So first we want to check how to do that. Okay. There are tools way which we are going to use and do this programming. Okay. So first of all we are going to take the number from user. Okay, so let's consider n is a number we take from the user as an input. Please enter the number. Okay, we have take the number and now we're going to reverse it, but while reversing, first option is we are going to use the 10 plus and the division number. Okay, so we're going to create the one more variable, that is revision. Okay, while use the while loop. So while number is greater than 0, okay, whenever found number is greater than 0, okay, if this condition get true, loop will get executed. If the number is less than 10 less than 0, the execution will be going to stop. Okay, so first we are going to create the digit. Okay, so division is first digit, so number divided by 10. Okay, so let's consider we have a number is a 123 divided by 10 means we got the first 3. Okay, so 10 plus, what is the 10 place of this number is a 3. So first we get the 3, then we are going to reverse it. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus digit. So okay, so for this position reverse is 0 now, into 10 means there is nothing, plus 3. Okay, so if you let's consider 0 into 10, there is nothing, will be 0, plus 3 equal to 3. Now the current state for initial level, for first iteration it will go into the 3. So I will just mark it here, first iteration is equal to 3. Then we are going to divide the number is equal to divide by 10. Okay, and at the end we are going to print it. Reverse number is okay, that was the reverse number. So let's execute program. It will ask the number 1 2 3 and print 3 2 1. Okay, so for first iteration we got the 3. Now second iteration number is remaining here, so we get the 12 number here. Okay, so first iteration we got the 3, now remaining number is a 12. Okay, so 12 divided by 10, it will get the 2. Okay, so current 10th place of number is a 2. Then it comes to here, revision already is equal to already 3, revision into 10 is equal to, let's consider already revision number is equal to already 3, division into 10 is equal to 30, plus division is equal to 2, so 32 number. So we got the first place. Then comes to here, then we want to divide by, again divide the number by 10, so we get the only one number, so only number is here come, so divided by 10 means again divide by here 10, that's why we get the number 1 here. Again we comes to here, we already have 23 into 10 plus 1, so we got the 3 to 1. So here we got the 3 to 1. In this fashion you can execute the program. So that's the thing, that is the one way. We are going to do the another way. Okay, so another way is that first they take the number as input. Okay, now you can convert the number into the string, and after that you can use the for loop, because the number is cannot iterable thing. Okay, so string you can iterate, so for that I want to use the for loop. For str, we're going to convert the number into string. Okay, after that we're going to create the one list is equal to empty list. Age is nothing but the list, or I will say my list is empty. Okay, so now we go a dot append. So whatever the value comes to into list, it's going to append. Okay, so what will be the value? Now I is a part of string, so here we're going to say I. Okay, and we just print the value here of a, and then we're going to a dot reverse, apply the function, and again we're going to print the value of a, the reverse number of given reverse the reverse number, we can say. So a, so let's consider 1 2 3. Okay, it's going to hit, it's did the mistake. What is happened? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, let's see. Int offset cannot be iterable, so length is not cannot be iterable. Okay, so how can we do this program? Basically I want to add the number into the list and just reverse the list, but here the number of time the reverse list get added. Okay, I will do the one thing now. Okay, sorry, that's the mistake I did here. Sorry again. It's taking more time, but I don't know. Just refresh once. Because here I am given A is my list, but actually my list name is different, so that's why it's given error. It's taking more time to execute the program. What happened? Just restart the kernel. One, two, three, and the reverse number is a 321. Okay, so first of all I did the mistake with the list name. So here I created my list name is my underscore list and I'm giving a, so that's why it's make a mistake. So once we add the data, once we had given number 1 2 3, and it's going to add a 1 2 3, and after that once we reverse the list we're going to get the 3 2 1. So these are the two different ways you can do it, or you can work it. So if you want, you can convert the list into integer and then you're going to reverse it. That's up to you. Okay, not necessary. You can, because here we convert the value into the string and after that string going to add to list, because the integer is not iterable item, string is iterable item. So that's why here we did conversion into the string. Okay, so that's it, this program. Thank you very much watching my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe and comment for this.